it has been proven now that by X-ray fluorescence that it is not a single layer of painting. It has 40 layers or 30 layers, totally embedded in 40 microns. This could be proven because by X-ray fluorescence, by layer, it could be told that it has 30 layers in that. Then another thing, that Nataraj statue you are seeing, there was always a dilemma that whether the total statue is solid or it is hollow somewhere. You can see on the extreme right that is given, you can see where the dark patches are there, that Nataraj, this statue was hard, is solid on that part, and other parts where it not so black, it was hollow. So these things could be proven because of the isotopes and radiation only. So I think you can appreciate that radiation isotopes can reveal the facts if used properly. So with this background, let me go ahead. Now, let me start with the clean energy. Now, this photograph, I think all of you know, this is our father of the nuclear science, Homi J. Baba. He said that there is no power as costly as no power. Now, you can see here the word play. The first power is your standing in the world or in the country, and other power is the V into I. So he said that if you don't have sufficient power, means electricity, you will not have any standing in international things. So you have to have power, and the power we know there are in many ways it can be generated from solar power, wind power, hydropower, fossil, geo. So there are many ways. Now I'm not here to say that nuclear power is the best one. What I want to say is whatever one feels, the power should be available at all the times. It should be clean, of course. It should be clean. It should be environment friendly, but as well as it should be available, and it should holistically cheap. Holistically cheap means it should not that today it costs me 1 rupee per day, but over a period of time it should happen that it has spoiled our environment. Like say I'm giving you example of wind power. It may be cheaper. It is cheaper. It may be cheaper, but you have to see that whether it will be available at all times or not. If there is no wind, there will not be any power. Then we cannot close down our plants and our industries for that. So the power has to be clean as well as it has to be holistically cheaper. Just to show you the images, you can see the upper two are from the Uttarakhand. You know what the havoc nature has done. The lower one on the left is the Brazil Amazon basin. You saw it had dried up a lot. Some 2 years back, the Amazon river had completely dried up. And on the right is the fires of Sydney. People say, the scientists say, and now it has been established that this is because of the greenhouse gases, CO2 and methane. Now, how to take care of these greenhouse gases? You have to produce energy in the cleanest way possible, and one of the best way is the nuclear power. Just to give you an example, the 1 kg of uranium produces about equal to the energy which 3,000 tons of coal generates. Now, how much is 3,000 tons of coal? Just see the picture on your right. This is one rake of train, is 59 wagons of this train carries about 4,000 tons of coal. So you can see 1 kg of uranium is equivalent to whole rake of coal required for generating the same energy. Just give me a minute, please. Then again, I don't know why see other